Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on power saving mode on this device. So you just have to open the upper bar and tap on the battery icon here, and then turn on battery saver. And you can also change some settings for this battery saver here, like turn on automatically when when battery is lower than 15% or 5%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.